Sergeant First Class Danny Ferguson just returned from Afghanistan. The movement specialist was working at Fort Hood when 34-year-old Ivan Lopez snapped and opened fire. Danny's fiancée, Kristen Haley, is a soldier too. She was with him. Tonight, in an exclusive interview with 10 News, she describes how Danny sacrificed his life to keep the gunman out of a packed room of military personnel.
He held that door shut because there's no locks. Those doors are seemed like they would be bulletproof, but apparently not. And if he was not being the one against that door holding it, that shooter would have been able to get through and shoot everyone else.
Ferguson was destined to be a great soldier. He graduated from Mulberry High School in Polk County in 1993. He was a prolific athlete, playing football, baseball, basketball, and ran track. A teacher at Mulberry High agreed this five-sport letterman was destined for greatness. The fact that he was able to do several sports probably doesn't surprise you that he went on to fight for his country.
No. Usually you don't sit around and do nothing after you graduate if you have that much in you.
And Danny's fiancée says he did have a lot in him, an intense desire to serve his country.
I know that he did have a pleasure of serving. This was his life, and he was so proud to be a part of such a great service.